In this session, we will see swept surface. So we will go to the start, mechanical design, and wireframe and surface design. I have created a plane. This is the spline. I will use this as a guide curve, and perpendicular to that guide curve, I have created the circle. I will go to the swept command. I will select the profile, and I will select then the guide curve. Okay, click on OK. This is the swept command. Now I will create another profile on this plane. Okay, I will create a rectangle. Exit. Now I will fill this surface. Click OK. Now we will see thick surface. I will provide the thickness to this surface. For this I will go to the mechanical design, part design, and here we can get this thick surface toolbar. Okay, so I will click on thick surface. I will select the surface. I will give the thickness of 2 mm. Click on OK. So this is how you can provide thickness to the surface. Okay, so this is the surface and I will have provided the thickness of 2 mm. Okay, so hybrid design. In CATIA, hybrid design refers to the modeling approach where both solid and surface based elements are created within the same body part. So we can create multiple like surface design and wireframe design, sheet metal design in the same workbench. So this is the hybrid design which helps us with the advantage of both solid modeling and surface modeling. Okay, so this is used for flexible modeling. So thank you.